I can't even imagine packing a couple hours before a flight, which is what I used to do. Who does that? I feel like I'm more prepared than I ever used to be for trips because I'm traveling a lot more and becoming a little bit more versed. The morning of a flight is always like, do I get stuff done or do I just relax? There's just no in between. So today was a get stuff done morning before the flight. I really wanted it to be a relaxing one, but no. I have to leave in 25 minutes, so. And I have to pack a lunch because your girl is trying to stay on her health journey and the airport's expensive. Pico, I'm leaving my cat here and my neighbor's son is gonna be watching her. And I don't think she's gonna miss me because I got her this tube thing. She's just been living in it. Are you, like, do you even remember who I am? I don't think she does. You're not gonna miss me, eh? Thanks for picking me up.
You are very welcome. Thank you for coming home. We miss you.
3, 2, 1, talk to me.
Are we getting the color change? You getting a new one? It's like Emily. She lost hers on the plane.
Did lose mine on the plane. Thank you for reminding me.
Well, then you need a new one.
They're not for the gym.
Yeah, but you can't, like, it's not for travel.
I love the fact that I only have one meeting on a Friday. It's kind of nice. Hello. I'm taking a call out here. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay. Let's get check the water quickly and then I'll back. Hello.
Just getting ready for a meeting. V's just getting all the backyard stuff done.
You can short the shit out of it.
It's my girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Get out me swamp. Look at these little mushrooms.
What does
Look
this?
at the
What does this?
That's so amazing.
This makes me so happy. That is a giant card.
I picked it
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Did you?
Yes.
What's in it?
What do you think is in it?
I don't know. Tell me what's in it. We're not going to the movies. We're actually just grabbing popcorn. This is the car I want, by the way. Manifesting that. Cactus gray, you said?
Yeah, cactus gray.
That's it. We got the goods. Do I seep out with the popcorn on or underneath?
Like a child?
Like this?
No.
Don't look at me like that. Close the door.
Okay.
Just one song, so I know what your voice sounds like. Yeah, I'll just do it.
Okay, it's the morning of the wedding. I'm getting ready clearly, and I only have about 2 hours. I feel like that's enough, but maybe I'm underestimating because I dilly-dally, so we'll see. The time difference will mess me up a little bit. I will show you guys my dress. It's really pretty. What's cool about this wedding is that it's the first wedding of someone in my close circle. It's someone I went to elementary school with, so I've known them for 15 years. Oh, I'm so excited for her. She's beautiful. She can even look more beautiful today, if that's possible. And I'm gonna bawl my eyes out. And I need to make sure the makeup is pristine. And we need one of these things. That was my childhood cat, by the way, who is 19 years old. Do you want to see him? Hi. This is Joshua. He is 19 years old. He's crushing life. Also, I always find it funny when I come home and I see my degrees because I actually forget I have them because they're here. It's a nice little reminder. Oh, hey, I still owe that money. This one, not this one, but definitely still have student loans for this one. This is a dress. You can't really see the whole thing. You'll see it in a video once I get checked into my hotel after the ceremony, but I had to get to Hamilton first before eating, drinking, taking any film, just because I'm chronically late all the time and I needed to make sure I got here on time. So this is the look. I'll show you guys more in a second, but yeah, I'm excited. You wouldn't believe what just happened after the ceremony. I sit in the car and the back of my zipper, like on this dress, splits. So I calmly, just calmly, I'm like, it's gonna be fine. We're gonna zip it back down, invert it without breaking it, because it's a tiny ass zipper, and zip it back up. And we did it. but there's the risk of it happening again. I'm a little concerned, I'm not gonna lie. We'll see. I can't really bust a move tonight. Okay, so we made it to the hotel. The ceremony was beautiful. I cried as I said I would, more than I thought, and I would start wiping my face, realizing I had makeup on. I'm like, oh my god, no, I have to pat. It's just so nice seeing all the love. I just love seeing my friends so happy and well taken care of and in love, and it was beautiful, and it just made me very happy. I'm gonna try and go into this dry. I've been dry 1.5 months, something like that. I'm going to commit to it today. This is the accountability. I'm just saying it out loud. I don't think I've ever gone to a wedding dry, if I'm being honest. We're gonna head out because the reception starts very soon. Kristen, how do you feel? End of the night.
I'm great.
Post game interview.
I have no voice, which means it was a good sign that it was a good night.
Lots of love for Kristen.
I'm married.
Yes, you are.
My husband is nowhere in sight.
He'll be back.
That's okay.
Okay, it's 2:30 a.m. It's time for bed, but I actually ended up driving the maid of honors and the bride's parents home. Well, at least to the hotel, because they're staying at the same hotel as me. Because I didn't drink. We had a dry wedding, her first dry wedding. We did it. Yay! I'm tired. How do people do this and drink? Maybe I'm more tired because I didn't drink. It's just more work. I need to remember to take off my makeup. And that wraps up the only wedding I have this summer. And I am not mad at it because it's expensive. Oh, I don't know what that was. I'm just like half awake. Good morning. As you can tell, I've lost my voice. I look like shit. And I need to get ready and not look like shit. And check out this hotel and go to Father's Day lunch downtown Toronto. And then I go to my brother's place to crash there because he lives downtown. And then go to the airport to go to Tampa tomorrow for work. I don't even want to know what I look like, but it's fine. Pack, get ready, and then I have Father's Day lunch at 11:30. It's currently 9. I'm feeling pretty good. I actually had a really good sleep. Obviously, it's a hotel bed. We're gonna crush Sunday, guys. I don't even know where to start, honestly. I need to shower. That's what needs to happen. Stay tuned.
I haven't been up to Muskoka in so long.
We live in an age where choice is now a commodity, and like I always tell people as a coach that you have to start choosing loyalty over novelty to yourself, because shiny toy syndrome is a thing. I mean, just tech is moving quickly. I'm home after a very long day, but very successful day. So we got some really good content, met some great people, got to do some speaking. I forgot to film the speaking because I needed my phone for my notes. I'm losing my voice and also brain cells clearly, so I need to shower and just have one more video to edit, and then I need to go to bed, and I'll just see you guys in the morning. Okay, we're checked out. It is 5:45 a.m. We have a long travel day. We have a layover in Denver, and then by the time I get in Vancouver, it's gonna be 4 p.m. to figure out what the method to our madness today is if it's gonna be podcasts, books, YouTube, or a mix. I haven't decided yet. I usually don't have like a standard. I kind of go it from a mood base. A lot less chaotic than I thought it was gonna be, but I probably shouldn't have had pasta last night because I feel heavy. I'm not gonna miss the Florida heat. I don't know how the heck people live here. It's gorgeous. It feels like you're walking through molasses in the air. It's quite insane. I've never wanted to be more indoors, which is so opposite of being in Vancouver. It's interesting. Okay, so we made it to Colorado, and honestly, we had a female pilot for that flight, and it was probably one of the smoothest flights I've ever had. I'm not saying it was because she was a female, but it probably was. I have another 6 hours until I'm back in Vancouver.